Hey, let me talk to y'all real quick, man. You do not understand the pain and the frustration of trying to beat a video game boss or level that you just cannot seem to beat. When you're almost there, something happens. 1 or 2 hits away, the boss is just extra cheapy with some dumb shit. Take all your life, take all your energy. And then you finally win. You finally achieve. See, people that be trying to downplay people that play video games, man. You don't understand, man. It is a mental struggle. Some video games is just not just for fun. Of course, you have fun, but you're achieving something. You're beating something. You're hit with a task, and in that task, you have to complete a mission. And you do everything that you can, and you learn, and you memorize, strategize, and you do it. That feeling of accomplishment when the odds are set against you from the get-go. Once you can learn how to take those aspects of playing video games, you can also take those aspects into your everyday life. See, life is a video game to me. You know? I may not have all the dopest things. I may not be the best or whatever, but I know every day I wake up, I have a new chance to play the game. I have a new chance to learn something, to level up, to get better. I learned all these things from playing video games, you know? So the frustration that you go through life is the same that you can go through in a video game. You know what some people do when they get frustrated? They used to have, back in the day, they used to have gamer, well, way before, you just had to figure it out. And you just had to figure it out, kind of like how it was back in the day. Then you had something like the gamer books that came out. You know, video game books that'll tell you, you know, give you little hints and things like that on how to beat the game or whatever like that. Right? Just like in life, you might have somebody on your neighborhood that can give you some hints, or you can watch it, you know, see what's going on, how to become better in life, or you get hints from your teacher, other school friends, or whatever, right? But then you have something like the internet comes out, right? And the internet, you can pretty much type in and ask questions on Google, YouTube about the game. You can actually see the video game footage, the video gameplay on how this is beaten, how this works, how this, you know, how are you able to beat that level? You do let's plays and all that stuff, right? Speed runs and everything. Cheat codes, all that stuff. Same thing in life, man. You literally can go on YouTube, Google, anything in the world that you want to learn how to do, you can learn how to do it, man. All the information is there. So, you know, I take the video game aspects of life, the aspects of video games, and incorporate it in life, because it's not that different if you really think about it. But you guys tell me, you know, I'm just here for the comments. You tell me what you think, and I'll talk to you guys later.